it's me Jordan, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a huge slime collection that I have. I'm in Kenzie's room right now because she has some good lighting in here and she has a nice lamp, which used to be mine, but she took it, and so yeah. And then she has a nice little stand right here, so where I film slime. And this is our little makeup table, so it's all messy, so like, just so you know. I have a bucket of slime, like I have a whole bucket. Like, it's one of those like storage bucket things. And yeah, so I don't want this intro to be long because this is already gonna be a long video, and I'm so sorry guys, but like, this is as fast as I can do it because I have at least like 30 slimes in here. It sounds like I'm not even like joking, but like you guys can count in the comments. I'm too lazy to do that. But yeah, so this YouTube video is only about me today, and Kenzie's dancing. So if you guys hear music, that's her dancing in another room, my parents' room. So yeah, let's just get on with this video, and I'll put you guys at a different angle to see the slime. Also guys, I'm already midway through doing these slime videos, and pretty much I wanted to mention that I'll probably be doing a part 2 of this because this will probably be a really long video and a lot of slimes I have to do, obviously. Like, that is a lot of slimes. Doesn't seem like a lot, but like right in front of me, it's a lot of slimes. So, just wanted to add that to that. I'm going to probably be doing a part 2 to this. So yeah, just so you guys know. Peace. Okay guys, so you guys are at a different angle now. So let's just like get on with all these slimes. So yeah, here's the first one. This slime has like vanilla, like scented stuff in it, and it has white foam beads and it's just a white slime. And I don't really name most of my slimes, so a lot of the slimes I have in here I won't name, but some of them I will because I have some names for them. But I really need to name my slimes more. But yeah, so and I might get more glue because my first 9 weeks, so I might get a reward. So I might get a gallon of glue. I've had 2 gallons so far. So yeah, let's just listen to some ASMR. That's Kenzie's music. Sorry guys, I'm trying to make it as quiet as I can to. But yeah. This slime smells so good. Let's just get on with this next. Okay, here's my next slime. There's a $3 thing on it because like I try to sell it on time. This one's actually one of my newest slimes. This was a container that I tried to sell before. I think it did get sold. I just like still have the container. But pretty much this slime, first off I had like a red color, like a maroon color in it, and then I added orange, and it made like this fallish look of color. And I added some apple cinnamon scent in it, so now it smells like so much like fall. I wish you guys could have smelled through the camera right now. I'm gonna close the door so you guys don't hear this music. I hear the music that bad, but yeah, so it just smells so good. Now here's some ASMR. Before I tell you guys, there's a little bit of Mono Magic in here, so it's a little buttery. But there's more slime in it than Mono Magic. So. Okay guys, we're back. Now we're gonna move on to like a blue, like a kind of, this is like a purple slime kind of. You guys tell me, is it baby blue or is it purple? And so pretty much this slime, it doesn't have any scents. I only have 3 scents overall in like a lot of slimes, and I already showed the first 2, so there's another one sewn in there. But yeah, so it's like purple or light blue, I'm not really sure. But in the camera it looks like blue, but it's like really purple in real life. But yeah, it's really glossy slime. And yeah, and I have borax over here guys, so like whenever slime's really sticky, I just add borax. Okay, here we go, ASMR. I'm gonna start to speed up. This will probably be a really long video. I'm gonna start to speed up. How I'll show. This is just a black glossy slime, and it looks pretty purple in the light, but it's actually black. So yeah, it's pretty hard to make like this black slime. I have like this little thing. So here's me ASMR. This is another glossy slime. Here's another foam slime. This time it's yellow. This is one of my newest slimes. And I got these containers from Dollar Tree, just so you know. So you can get some actually pretty nice containers from Dollar Tree, surprisingly. Well, it's not that surprisingly. Dollar Tree mostly has everything, kind of. Like House Essentials and all that. But yeah, here's some ASMR. I also got these foam beads from Dollar Tree. And yeah, so they were actually pretty good foam beads for Dollar Tree. This slime ended up needing some borax, so that's what I'm doing right now, is mixing it in. But this slime is a enormous purple slime with some foam beads in it. And yeah, this is what it looks like. Okay guys, here is another slime. This slime has to have, like, it has some kind of like effect. I don't know why there's pink in it, but something, maybe my sister got on my slime. Of course, Kinsey always gets in my slime and all that. Yeah, so this slime's like not the best slime, like it's one of my favorite slimes, but it's a full slime collection, so here are them all. Okay guys, here's my last scented slime. Throughout out all of my huge stack. I only have 3 scented slimes out of everything. And I got these scents at Dollar Tree, but they actually really work. And I'm not a big fan of this slime because the color's kind of the same as my last scented slime. And then the cherry scent to it, it smells like medicine, and I just don't like that smell. But I don't know, some people in my family do like the, well, not really very many people do, but I just thought that I would show you guys this slime. There's nothing really different about it than the rest, but oh yeah, it has some glitters in it too, if you can kind of really tell, but yeah. Okay guys, here is a purple slime. There's, I don't know if you've gotten through purple slime. Oh yeah, that foam slime we went through, but that's more like a blue. This has like some kind of mixed color in it, I don't know. This slime's like glossy, and like I love it. It's like adorable. Also, there's some fine glitter in it. Like, I don't know if I can show you guys, but there's like really fine glitter in it. Yeah. Here's another foam slime. This slime is pretty ratchet. I tried to sell it. Let me fix this. Okay, I fixed that one blind thing. But yeah, I tried to sell the slime. No one bought it. So So here it is. It's practically orange. This is like my Halloween slime, pretty much. But yeah, it just is orange and has like foam beads. It's like not very different than the rest. I'll give you some sounds. This one's like a really pretty slime. It is my only clear slime I have. It has a lot of borax in it because clear slime is like really sticky, so like I add a lot of borax to it. But it actually still stretches. And I added some blue food coloring to it, and then some sparkles. So this is so neat. I love clear slime, but I'm just like really bad at making it. But it turns out like so bubbly and like I don't know. I'm not very good at making clear slime. Here's another foam slime. I haven't touched this slime in like the longest time. That's satisfaction. Just like pure foam beads. This slime can get your hands pretty dirty, but it's worth it because the slime is so satisfying. It is a black slime with some white foam beads in it. This used to be just a white slime with foam beads, but I added like a black glossy slime like I showed you earlier, and it turned out like an Oreo crunch. I think that's what the slime's called, Oreo crunch. Well, it had like a scent to it, but I don't. These are all homemade slimes, BTW, like they're not store-bought, they're all homemade. And I've been making some since 6th grade and I'm in 7th grade. So that's why I have a huge collection, because like I've been collecting for like the longest time. There's like big and small foam beads in here because I added both of them. But yeah, I love this slime. It's so satisfying. Now I'm going to be showing you guys a jiggly, like a really big jiggly slime. And this one is going to be the last one for the part 1. Okay, I might do like 1 or 2 more. But then that's going to be the rest because I need a part 2 because like it's that bad. It's just falling out of the container. It's so jiggly. Sometimes I can never get it out of the container. But yeah. There's still some left in the mason jar, but I can never get it. So we're just going to go with this watery jiggly slime now. I have 2 more slimes to show you guys. Here's this firework slime. I call it firework. I made this around like 4th of July time. Wow, I haven't touched this slime in so long. Now it's so sticky.
Oh my gosh, it is so sticky. It's hard to get out of the container.
anyways, I was just looking out the window real quick. Sorry, I took up most of that time. Yeah, let's get back to this. It has blue and red sequins in it because it is 4th of July time. Like I already said, I'm sorry, I said it 3 times. It's like pink slime. I should have made it like red or white, but like I didn't, so I'm stupid. But it's okay, guys. Okay, guys, we have one more slime left, and it is. Oh my god, I've touched this slime the longest time. I love this slime. It has really fine glitter in it. See, you can see at the bottom, it really does. And then it's like orange and like it's called like orange dreamsicle. But I haven't touched this slime in so long, and I was missing it. Like I forgot where I put it. But it was just deep down in this bucket. That's how thick it is, guys, and that's how much slime I have. And I still have a part 2. This is the last one for the part 1, guys. So I say guys a lot, but like you guys are just like my homies. That's what my friend would say. But she left to Illinois, so it's so sad. But yeah, I miss this slime so bad. It has like blue flame glitter. Okay guys, hope you guys enjoyed this first part of my slime collection, and my hands are a mess, and you probably will see them in the next part 2, but I'm either doing it tonight or tomorrow because my back hurts right now because I've been standing for like ever. But yeah, so I'm going to go edit this video and then maybe do the part 2 after that. So, if you guys enjoy this video, like, subscribe, enjoy the MJ fam. He's not here right now, but it's MJ fam, so follow. All that, so see you guys next time.